Hi friends, in today's video I'll show you how you can convert a video file into an audio file using this software. This software is called Format Factory. I'll be putting link in the description to download this software, so you can download the software from there. So friends, let's open these two Format Factory. So friends, you can see that this software looks like this. So you have to drag and drop this video file. This video file is .mp4. Just drag and drop it. So after dropping it, you can see the conversion types. You can convert this video file into AVI 3GP, but we need an audio file, so we'll convert it using this one, .mp3 format. This is a high quality one, so hit OK, and you can see this. There is the start button. So after clicking on this will start and the conversion will take place, and the file will be here itself. The new file will be created. So start it. So you can see friends, this is happening. This is .mp3 format sound and done. So close this too, and you can see this is the original video file and this is the audio file. Let's open the video file first. This is the audio file .mp3 which we just created. You can see this is perfectly working. That's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends. If you are new on this channel, subscribe to our channel and help us grow.
I'm not afraid. Yeah. It's been a ride. Everybody. I guess I had to